Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today I'm coming back to you with another hair review. So let's get started. I have the hair here with me. So this is the pack it comes in, and then inside of it they sent 2 caps. I usually don't use the caps because I've already found caps that matches my scalp. For example, the cap in here is black. See, it's black. So if I put it under my wig, it's not going to look as natural. So I usually just use the ones I already have. So then I'm going to reach inside and grab the hair. So this is the hair. I like the curls already. I'll leave the detail of this hair down in the description, but this is a natural color. It is 22 inches. And it's their loose wave. This is Lavy hair. It's Lavy. I think that's how you say it. It has the lace in front from ear to ear, and it also has some lace in the back in case you want to do like a high ponytail or something. So the density of this hair is 180. The curl pattern is Brazilian loose wave. So this is what that curl pattern looks like. Kind of bouncy. I like that. And the length is 22 inches. As I said, I'll leave all of that down in the descriptions in case you want to check it out. So all I'm going to be doing today is just installing this hair. If you haven't seen my previous hair review videos, I do basically the same things. So all I'm going to do is cut the lace and customize the hair. So as you can see, I already have a cap on. You can choose to wear a cap. It's up to you. You can also choose the color you want, but I recommend that you get a lace cap that matches your skin complexion a little bit, kind of like something like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the hair. So first I'm gonna fit it to see if it fits. If you guys see me looking down here, that's because there's a mirror in front of me. So I have the hair on. I'm just gonna make sure it fits, and then I'm gonna make sure I find the spot that I want to lay it in, I guess. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. Some people know how to cut the lace when it's on their head. I don't know how to do that. Secondly, I don't want to cut my edges, so I think it's just safer to cut it when it's not on your head. What I forgot to mention is that the hair is already plucked, which means it is already customized so it doesn't look too thick when you wear it. It looks more natural that way. So I'm cutting the lace in the back as well. I'm gonna put the hair on and then spray it down. It has combs in here too, so it has 2 combs here, one in the middle and one on the back. So the combs are to secure the hair. I think our wig is completely laid, as you can see here. I didn't lay the hair with the glue in the back just because I don't like doing that. I don't wear my hair in a high ponytail anyways, but you have that option if you wanted to do that. I usually only do the front just because I only either wear it down or do a part, like a middle part or a side part. So I don't really need to put the glue in the back. Plus it gets kind of messy anyways, so I don't like doing that. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and style it now. If you've seen any of my hair videos, you know that I use the same products all the time. So I'm gonna use the Eco Styler gel. I'm gonna use my little toothbrush. Okay, so I'm gonna come a little close so you guys can see. It already looks like it wants to go on this side, so I think that's what I'll do. I'll just, the curls are pretty, y'all. So all you have to do is open it up with your fingers and you have luscious, beautiful looking curls. So I'm just gonna try to do a part right here. Let's see. Okay, so maybe not. Let's try the middle. Don't really want to do a middle part though. I don't really want to do a middle part, so I think I'll just leave it like this. So first I'm just gonna go ahead and find my baby hair. So I'm gonna pin this back a bit like that. And then I'm gonna pull out just a little bit of hair and then cut it so that it's short enough to make baby hairs. Okay, I think I have enough baby hairs. I'm gonna go ahead and tie it down just for a few more seconds.